Dan Street, Hydrochem System, January 30th, 2018. Got a couple in there. I'll show you some inventory right now. Here's our pressure washer lifters. There's some in overflow also. You can see where we got these 2 Platinum Plus trailers here. Getting prepped and near ready to go. We've got completed models. See the production area. Bear with me. Gearing up for springtime. Take pre-orders right now. Additional trailer up there. There's actually 2 outside right there. 1 Gold Series, 1 Platinum Plus. The 2 in here. Sorry about walking. Just to show you guys who haven't seen this one before, here's a chemical manufacturing department here. Got about $750,000 worth of blending equipment in the back corner, out of sight. Here's more overflow for other equipment, drums, etc. Also have a sale on some trailer packages from Hydrotech. Surface cleaner.
And I set the coil in there, and I try to slide the top in, and it went straight through.
Additional trailers in here. Yep. That's our motley crew of service techs and production manager. And then out in the outbuilding here, we got 2 more trailers ready to go. Here's more, here's how to get a hold of us. We also manufacture automated drive-through truck washes. It's our full service department. Over 500 different model pressure washers. Chemical manufacturing. Sales service. We're an employee-owned company. 48 employee owners right now. So we all have a stake in the business. We all care about what we produce, trying to get the highest end product out there, not the cheapest. Quality, still the price wise is unbeatable. But there's simply, you're in business or wanting to use this for waste management services, or to start a business and entrepreneurship. Nothing's worse than having to replace cleaning heads, pressure washers, pumps, burners, other components on a non-stop basis, literally almost putting you out of business. The equipment we use, I can give you a lot of details, is the highest quality industrial grade systems on the market. 15-pound all stainless steel cleaning heads on our Wheelie bin cleaner, all stainless steel frame on our 3,500 9-gallon hot water machine. 600,000 BTU burner, 2,900 watt brushless generator, belt drive triplex plunger pump, 18-gallon gas and diesel tanks, high volume injector, which normally you can't get from a 9-gallon a minute to be able to draw soap. We really don't use the little 22 horse Honda GX690, which is 688 cc. We use an 896 cc big block Vanguard engine. For our smaller unit of the Kohler, 25 horse instead of 22. We need the extra horsepower to properly power the generator, which are about 3.5 to 4 horse, and the 35 at 8. So we're actually delivering 35 at 8, 35 at 9 gallon a minute out the gun, not 6.5 at 3,500, and pretend it's an 8-gallon machine. For more details, give us a call. Dan Swede, Hydrochem Systems. I'll zoom in so you can see all our contact information. There's our email, website, hydrochemsystems.com, phone number. Give us a call. We can help you with complete packages to help you start a business, expand your business, and also to reduce your overhead on a waste facility or municipality. We already have them in sanitation departments around the country, and you know, right now we're looking to have about a dozen trailers ready for March. So that's our expectation. You can pick them up anytime. They're in stock and ready to go. So give us a call.